Hey.
Reaching out. Sizzla Kalunji.
Eesah.
The voice for the youths, okay? Reaching out to all the world governments. Ha! Eesah. Rastafari. Yeah, you know. You gotta set the children free. Repatriation, right? Africa, Jamaica,
Them say so, but no how good no come out of the ghetto. Them tell you the most depressing thing for make you let go. But when you progressive, them will try them best for you. So watch your jelly out there. Greatness lie within. Go and try your thing. No farm, no fool of yourself. Hey, can't make karma win. No profane, no sin. Protect all of your health. All that.
This is what we face in the ghetto. This is what we face in the ghetto. Every day we suffer in the ghetto. Crime and violence in the ghetto. Music say we don't want no war for it to mess up the ladies, destroy the families and destroy the babies. Gunshot of fire, see everyone getting crazy. The government not to mind them no pay way. Then the youths take up guns in a them man. Them woman and them picnic can't get food for them. Then coronavirus come join them plan. What a corruption pan the land in Selassie. This is what we face in the ghetto. This is what we face in the ghetto. Every day we suffer in the ghetto. Crime and violence in the ghetto.
Make that step, Babylon don't care now. Only you can make that change. Do your best, don't be stressed out. Yeah, only you can make that change. King I-Vier. A regular, them abuse the law. I show the youths them not talk now. Yeah, oh, yeah. Only you can make that change.
This is what we face in the ghetto. This is what we face in the ghetto.